One of the features that has been added to our website for the fall 2020 semester is the ability to purchase materials online for pickup outside of the shop in Parker Hall. So if we navigate to the fabrication workshop portion of the website, then go to the store and purchase materials on the left side of the page, this will bring up a form. We're going to fill out first name, last name, phone number, which will only be used if there's something that's really out of stock, UB email, which will be the main mode of communication used during the order, and then the UB ID number, which is your 16-digit UB card number, not your 8-digit person number. So if you plug in an 8-digit person number, it will kick this form back. It won't let you submit it with just an 8-digit number. Please accurately type your 16-digit number so that we can get the order charged and outside the shop for pickup. In this section, we're going to pick what you're purchasing. So these are the broad categories of materials that we offer. When you click these materials, it will open up a section which tells you everything that we have stocked for each one of those types of materials. So you're going to click how many you want of each. If you're going to choose 0, you just leave these dashes in here. You don't have to fill them out. Then at the bottom, it will show a subtotal and then a grand total. So make sure that you have this amount of campus cash in your account before you hit submit. Once you hit submit form, it will kick an email to us with this order form. We'll get going on filling your material. You'll get an email that's confirming that this was actually sent to us. That is not a confirmation that the order is ready for pickup. So once you submit the form, you get that email back. Then we are going to individually send you an email that says that your order is ready for pickup, and then you can come pick it up outside of the boxes in Parker Hall outside of room 2.